log x plus y by 3 is equal to half of log x plus log y. You need to find the value of x by y plus y by x. That means here what we need to do here, what is given here? This is the condition they have given. What is that condition? Log x plus y by 3 is equal to half of log x plus log y. This is the condition they have given. You need to find the value of x by y plus y by x. If you want to find the value of x by y plus y by x, what we need to do here by taking this condition, first we make to cancel the log on both sides. If you cancel log on both sides, then you will get the values in the form of the variables. For that reason, what we need to do here, write here log x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. What is the formula for the log x plus log y? You know that it is log x into y. We discussed this one while we are discussing about the laws of logarithms. What is the formula for log a plus log b, which is nothing but log a into b. Now here this one you can write it as log x plus y by 3 is equal to, again it is in the form of what? Log. You know that log x power m is equal to m log x. Right? It is in the form of m log x. You can observe that it is in the form of m log x. You can write this one as log x power n. That means you can write this one as log xy whole power 1 by 2. Now you can observe that here log is there, here log is there. You can cancel log on both sides. For that reason we have written this one like this. So what is given here? The given condition is log x plus y by 3 is equal to half of log x plus log y. It is in the form of log a plus log b. You can write it as log a into b. After that again it is in the form of m log x. You can write it as log x power n. And you can cancel log on both sides. What is left out here after that? What we need to find, write it x by y plus y by x. This value we need to find it by based on this condition. What we got it here after cancellation, x plus y by 3 is equal to xy whole power 1 by 2. Here also you need to find the value of x by y plus y by x. You can observe that here powers are not there. Here you need to cancel the power here. If you want to cancel the power, what we need to do here? If you take squaring on both sides, what will happen? See, write it here. Squaring on both sides. If you take squaring on both sides, this half and that square will get cancelled. Then you will get the form like this. What we can write it here? X plus y by 3 whole square is equal to xy power 1 by 2 whole square. We applied squaring on both sides. Here you can observe that it is in the form of a power m whole power n. You can write it as a power m into n. So that this square and this one will get cancelled. Then what you will get here? You will get here x plus y whole square by 3 square. Because it is in the form of a by b whole square, you can write it as a square by b square. Here what you will get here? Xy. Now here it is in the form of x plus y whole square. So here you can expand this one. What you will get here? X square plus y square plus 2xy by, what is the value of 3 square? 3 into 3, which is 9, and is equal to xy. Take this 9 to this side. Since we are dividing here, if you take this 9 to this side, it will become multiplication. So what you will get here? X square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 9 into xy, which is 9xy. Now take this plus 2xy to that side, it will become minus 2xy. What you will get here? X square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy, which is 7xy. X square plus y square is equal to 7xy. Now what we need to do here? Take this xy to this side. Since we are multiplying this 7 and xy, if you take xy to this side, it will become division. You will get x square plus y square by xy is equal to 7. we need to know the value of x by y plus y by x. This one they have separated. Now separate this value here. So you can write this one as x square by xy plus y square by xy is equal to 7. We have separated these things because we need to find the value of x by y plus y by x. So here this 1x will get cancelled. Here 1y and 1y will get cancelled. What is left out here? 1x will be there, x by y, and here 1y will be there, y by x is equal to 7. This value we need to find it. What is the value of x by y plus y by x, which is 7. So what is given here? They have given in the question log of x plus y by 3 is equal to half of log x plus log y. You need to find the value of x by y plus y by x. First what we have done? We have changed this equation such that we cancel the log on both sides. After that doing all the calculation, we get the value of x by y plus y by x as 7. Now see the next question. Seventh question. Here, what is the condition given here? If given, what is given here? 2.3 whole power x is equal to 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. You need to find the value of, to find, what we need to find? 1 by x minus 1 by y. Here, this is the question given here. This condition is given 2.3 whole power x is equal to 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. Based on this condition, you need to find the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y. You know that we are discussing about the logarithms. Now, we need to apply logarithms to this side so that we get the answer. Now, you can observe that these three are equal. So we can equate these two values and we can equate these two values. Because both are equal, we know that if A is equal to B is equal to C, we can say that A is equal to C and we can say that B is equal to C also. Because all these are equal, the same thing we are doing here. So according to the question, we can equate these two values. 2.3 whole power x is equal to 1000. So here, you know that 2.3 you can write it as 23 by 10 because after the decimal point how many numbers are there? One number is there. So we can write in the denominator 10. We can write 2.3 as 2.3 by 10 whole power x. And you can write this one, the 1000 you can write it as 10 cube because 10 into 10 is 100. 100 into 10 which is 1000. So here you can write this one as 10 cube. Now here apply log on both sides. So if you apply log on both sides, what you will get here? Apply log on both sides. Why we took these two values? Because here if you can observe this one 1000. After solving this one, you will get log 10 to the base 10 such that you know that the value is 1. For that reason, we are taking this one. If you took these two values, then we cannot able to solve this one. Now apply log on both sides. What will get here? Log 23 by 10 whole power x is equal to log 10 cube. We applied log to this equation. So it is in the form of what? Log x power m. Now you can write this one as m log x. So here write x log 23 by 10 is equal to, you can write this one as 3 log 10 because you know that log x power m is nothing but m log x. If power is not, if base is not given, we already discussed, you can take that base value as 10. Now here, what you get here, at this condition x log 23 by 10 is equal to 3 into, you know that log a to the base a. What is the formula for log a to the base a? If these two values are equal, you know that the result is always equal to 1. So here, you can write this one as 3 into 1 which is 3. Now, take this x to that side. If you take x to that side, it will become division. You 1. Now here you can observe that here you need to find the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y. We got it here 3 by x. After that what we can do? Let us solve. First take this solution. After that you will got this equation. Now make these two values are equal. Again consider. First we considered these two values are equal. Now take these two values. What is that one? 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. Again write this one in the form of the fraction. What you can write? 23 by 100. Since after the decimal point two numbers are there, in the denominator you can keep two zeros. And again this one you can write it as 10 cube. And now what we need to do? We have to apply log on both sides. If you apply log on both sides, what you will get? In the right hand side, you will get the form like this. Now apply log 23 by 100 whole power 5 is equal to log 10 cube. Since the base is not given, you can take the base as 10. Now again you need to simplify. After simplification, what you get here? Log 23 by 100 whole power y is equal to, it is in the form of what? Log x power m, you can write it as m log x. So here this one you got it as 3 log 10 to the base 10. Again this one it is in the form of log x power m, you can write it as m log x. At this step write y log 23 by 100 is equal to 3 log 10 to the base 10. You know that again this value is 1. So 3 into 1 which is 3. Now here you will get log 23 by 100 is equal to 3. Here we are multiplying these two values. If you take that value to this side, you will become 3 by y. Let us consider this value as 2. Now in the question what they have given, you need to find the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y. Here after solving the two equations, we got these equations, which is these two equations we got at last. Now here you need to find the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y. What we need to do? We need to subtract these two values, because if you can observe in the right hand side, what is there here? 3 by x, and what is there here? 3 by y. Here in the question they asked to find this value. If you subtract these two values and if you take 3 common in this, you will get 1 by x minus 1 by y. That value we need to find it. For that reason we have done all these calculations. Now what we need to do? We have to subtract these two equations. Right, then subtract 1 and 2. If you subtract 1 and 2, what you will get here? So subtract these two equations. What is there? In the left hand side, log 23 by 10. Here what is there here? Log 23 by 100. Again you need to subtract the RHS part. What is there here? 3 by x. And in the second equation it is 3 by y. Now here it is in the form of what? Log a minus log b. Right? So what is the formula for log a minus log b? We know that it is log a by b. So write it here. Log 23 by 10 by 23 by 100. Because it is in the form of log a minus log b, you know that log a minus b is nothing but log a by b. This one, from this you can take here 3 common. If you take 3 common, what is left out here? 1 by x minus 1 by y. Now you need to find this value. So what is our next step here? What we got it here? Log 23 by 10. Here division is there. If you write multiplication, what we need to write? We need to take the reciprocal of this number. So you can write 23 by 100 as 100 by 23. So here what is there in the RHS? 3 into 1 by x minus 1 by y. Now you can observe that this 23 will get cancelled. Here 10 will get cancelled. What you will left out here? Log 10. If base is not given, you can take the base value as 10. This value we got it as 3 into 1 by x minus 1 by y. You know that log 10 to the base 10 is nothing but 1. So, since we need to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y, take 3 to this side. So, if you take 3 to this side, what will it become? It will become 1 by 3. So, what is the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y? Which is 1 by 3. Like that you need to solve. Just you have to take the equation, and after that, after applying the log, you will get two equations, and after subtracting those two equations, you will get the answer, which is 1 by 3. Now see the next question. What's the next question here given? They have given 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x. You need to find the value of x here. If you want to find the value of x, what we need to do? You need to apply log on both sides. So here, apply log on both sides. If you apply log on both sides, what you will get? Log 2 power x plus 1 is equal to log 3 power 1 minus x. It is in the form of log x power m. You can write it as m log x, which is x plus 1 log 2 is equal to, similarly this one you can write it as 1 minus x log 3. Now multiply these two values here. What you will get here? X into log 2, which is x log 2, plus 1 into log 2, which is log 2. Now again multiply log 3 to these values. 1 into log 3, which is log 3, minus x into log 3, which is x log 3. Here you need to find the value of x. So take all the x values to one side and all the logarithms to the other side. So what will get here? X log 2. If you take minus x log 3 to this side, it will become plus x log 3. And what is there here? Log 3. If you take plus log 2 to that side, it will become minus log 2. Now in this you can take x common. If you take x common, what is left out here? Log 2 plus log 3. Here what is there? Log 3 minus log 2. Now take this value to this side. So what will it become? It will become division. Since in the left hand side we are doing the multiplication, what will get here? Log 3 minus log 2 by, if you take this one to this side, what will it become? Log 2 plus log 3. Now you can leave like this, or otherwise you can write this one as log. It is in the form of log a minus log b. You can write it as log a by b. So it is log 3 by 2 by, it is in the form of log a plus log b. You know that log a plus b into is nothing but log a into b, which is nothing but log 2 into 3, which is 6. This is the value of x. Just we need to, they have given this equation. If you want to find the value of x, you need to apply log on both sides. And after that, doing all the process, you will get the value of x. Now, see the next question, 9th question. It is your homework. From this chapter is completed. In the tomorrow session, we are going to start the new chapter.